Introducing the 2000W 6-in-1 laser welding machine, a powerful and versatile solution designed for modern metalworking professionals. This advanced system combines 6 essential functions into one compact unit: welding, cutting, cleaning, seam finishing, pulse welding, and specialized battery and stiffener welding. Powered by a stable 2000W laser source, it delivers precise energy control for both continuous and pulse welding, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, from thin, delicate materials to thicker metal structures. The double pendulum welding system ensures wider coverage, smoother seams, and improved efficiency, allowing you to achieve clean and uniform results with minimal effort. Compatible with all types of metals, including stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, copper, and more, this machine offers exceptional flexibility for workshops, factories, and industrial environments. Its integrated cleaning function removes rust, oil, and surface impurities before or after welding, ensuring stronger bonds and a flawless finish. Designed with a user-friendly interface and ergonomic handling, it allows operators to switch between functions and customize settings according to their specific needs. The high-speed performance reduces production time while maintaining superior quality. Whether you're working in fabrication, automotive repair, battery production, or industrial manufacturing, this 6-in-1 laser system is built to boost productivity, reduce costs, and deliver professional results every time. All in one power, precision without compromise.